What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about Klein tools. Klein is a supporter of the channel, but they get treated just like everybody else, and if their stuff sucks, we will tell you. But generally, it's pretty good. You know, every company
that's why
has
they've
their
been around for so long, because they got a good name and good products.
Yeah, we're doing a bag right now. I don't know if we posted it already, but we're working on one of their new backpacks. It literally is like one of the toughest backpacks I've ever seen. It's like a Vito Pro bag.
They just take it out of the thing and bust right away.
we haven't tested it right now.
But it feels like a nice backpack. It's probably one of our favorite backpacks.
Last summer, you guys, you may know Klein released a cooler, right? And the cool thing about that cooler is that it really kept stuff cold. I mean, I left ice in it for like 4 days, and there was still ice in it. It really did a good job at keeping things cool, and it was also very tough, easy to clean. You just pop it open. Now they've released a new cooler, which is basically, it looks like kind of the half the size of that one.
Yeah, I would actually, I know you want to go throw that thing around and beat it up, but in all honesty, you know what I'd like to do with the thing? It says that it, where is it on here? I thought it said that it keeps cool up to 30 hours. You know what I'd really like to do? Is put some ice in there, put some cans in there, and let it just sit outside in the heat. See how long it actually keeps before it starts melting.
Dude, I know. I've used the other one. We're going to smash it up.
Oh, that's fine. I don't care.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Nobody wants to stay here for 32 hours.
No, you won't have to. I can take it and take pictures of it every day and just see, you know? I'm just, honestly, to me, people are going to get more use whether your stuff is cold for longer overnight than beaten up. I don't think as many people are going to be beating the hell out of the thing. But I mean, you want to throw it around, I don't care. I'll do whatever you want to, you know?
That's what I wish YouTube was. Wouldn't it be cool right now if it was live? There's just like a yes, no, and we'd be like, okay, you guys, what do you guys think?
Well, I think it's more fun to see someone beat the hell out of it, and that's why we're going to do that. But I think for practical reasons, I think keeping stuff cool is more.
Wow, Eric, the cool-headed one.
No, I'm just saying.
So.
No, beat the hell out of it. I don't care.
No, it's okay if you want to take it.
No.
No, it's all right. So you're gonna do what with it now? You're gonna take pictures and send it to me?
I was just gonna take one picture. No, just let's beat it up. What do you want to do? You want to drag it behind the truck, you said?
No, it's okay. Let's just do the cool thing. We're gonna beat up other stuff. All right, so Eric's gonna take this. He's gonna see if it works. Dude, I'm telling you, put ice in it, it'll last almost a week.
So you're telling me that's better than a Pelican cooler?
Yeah, Pelicans.
Or is it Pelican? What is it? The ones that are the big ones?
Not Arctic.
There's Yeti.
Polar. Yetis, yeah.
Yeti, but then there's, I thought Pelican. Is it Pelican?
Pelican
I thought they make a cooler
coolers.
also. I thought those are supposed to be like the two top coolers for keeping stuff cold for a long time.
You know what? I want to know why this keeps stuff cold.
That's what I'm saying.
Just hollow plastic?
Because if you look at like a Yeti or stuff like that, or a Pelican, those things are honestly like that wide because they got foam in there. Dude, and this one's really thin.
I want to see what's in there. What do you think's in there?
Cut it up, man.
We're cutting it up. If this even cuts it. Man, and you said this tool has no use, Eric.
Well, no, fast.
Why does... Oh, man, what's happening? Oh, it is foamed.
Oh, yeah, it's spray foam in there.
We got to get it open so they can see. How are these guys going to see now? I'll get some duct tape. You can still do your test.
Yeah. Because I don't know if it really does do... I mean, it says 30 hours. You might have to take this hinge off, because I think that's what's stopping it right there. Don't you have a bar?
This is a bar. Alright, you guys. Whew, there you have it. The Klein cooler. It's foam. That's why it lasts so long.
But I think the Yetis, I think all of them have foam in there.
Really?
I'm pretty sure. I just think it's the thickness of foam. The thicker it is, the longer it will stay cool.
I don't know, you guys. All I'm saying is that this is a really good cooler. Even if it didn't say Klein Tools, even if it was just, it just really is good. I mean, look how long it took us to destroy it. You know? You could stand on it. You could.
Well, yeah, you can put up to 300 pounds on it, so I would just think
that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you
so
can
you
use
can,
it as a step.
It's well, in a seat, too.
Tools next, you guys. Check it out. Hashtag
We're done?
Crew.
That's
There we
it?
go.
Hey, one thing, too. It's got a metal bar through there, so that's good. It's not like plastic through there. Still interested. I don't know if I'd buy it though.
Why?
Because I don't know. I have a hard time believing that it does keep things up to 30 hours cool. I really do. Something
Eric,
that
I
small.
just told you. Dude, toolsinaction.com, that's us. We did the other one and it sat in my garage for 4 days. You don't believe me?
And sitting in the garage is different than sitting outside.
Dude, it was sitting at Terrence had it
in
on the
wintertime.
boat. It sat on the boat. Don't listen to this guy. I'm telling you, it lasts 32 hours.
Don't get all upset, man.
Easily.
It's okay, dude.
All right,
Trust
whatever.
me, it's okay.
Tools in
It's
action,
not a
you
rip
guys.
on you.
Check it out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.